don't be discouraged if you still can't produce low I. It's an extremely difficult phoneme to acquire, so it's only natural. Here's a trick that works with everyone. The trick is called pivoting. Pivot means 기준, or to pivot means 기준을 정하다, or to fix something as a reference point, or to set a standard. One example of pivoting is a b-boy spinning on his head. When he spins, his body rotates around his head, which is planted on the floor. His head is a pivot. He's pivoting the head on the floor to spin. Another example is the equator. The equator is also a type of pivot in a sense. Although nothing spins around the equator, it is a baseline at 0 degrees latitude that divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres. When producing low I, it is often helpful to pivot our tongue at position 3 and move it up slightly to 4. So how do we do that? First, say 에 as in 배 and stay still. Tongue is at position 3, and this is our pivot. Don't move your tongue muscle at all. Now try saying E without moving the tongue. 배, 배, 배. Even if you don't intentionally move your tongue, you'll make a slightly different sound. That's the low I sound. It will sound and feel really strange because it doesn't exist in our sound system. Try again. Say 배. Pivot your tongue. And then try saying E. 배, 배, 배. Same thing with 배. Say 배. Don't move your tongue. Try saying E. 배, 배, 배. How about 래? Say 래. Pivot. Then try saying E. 래, 래, 래. Now let's add an ending consonant and say these words. Again, say 배, hold, then try E. 배, pick, pick. Next, 배, pivot, try E. 배, fit, fit. Lastly, say 래, pivot, and then try E. 래, live, live. If you have done these well, let's take one more step forward. We'll practice without saying 에, but you must still hold position of 에, and then say E. So pivot your tongue at 에, think E. Pick, fit, live. Let's read these triplets. Peak, peck, pivot 에, think E, pick. Next, feet, fed, pivot 에, think E, fit. Lastly, leave, left, pivot your tongue at 에, think E, live. Alright then, please go back to the previous unit's drills and practice until you feel confident with high and low I's.